Welcome to our ice maker comparison video. Today, we will be diving into two popular countertop ice makers, the Antarctic Star Nugget ice maker and the Aeitto ice maker. We'll look at their unique features, ice production capabilities, and help you decide which one is right for your kitchen or office. Let's get started. The Antarctic Star Nugget ice maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for enhancing the flavor of your drinks. In contrast, the Aeitto ice maker offers traditional bullet ice in two sizes, making it versatile for various beverages. While nugget ice is favored for its texture, bullet ice is great for cooling drinks quickly. Your choice will depend on your preference for ice texture and usage. When it comes to daily capacity, the Antarctic Star Nugget ice maker excels with a production of 34 pounds of nugget ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings. On the other hand, the Aeitto ice maker produces 26 pounds of bullet ice daily, which is still substantial but may require more frequent refills for larger events. Consider your ice needs when choosing between these two models. The Aeitto ice maker stands out with its impressive speed, producing 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it perfect for quick refreshment. In comparison, the Antarctic Star Nugget ice maker has a standard production rate, which is slower but focuses on quality over speed. If you prioritize quick ice availability, the Aeitto may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star Nugget ice maker and the Aeitto ice maker offer unique benefits. If you value chewable nugget ice and higher daily output, the Antarctic Star is your best bet. However, if speed and versatility in ice size are more important, the Aeitto ice maker is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.